Today, I am teaching you health facts and benefits of onions. Onions are rich in plant compounds and antioxidants. Colorful varieties such as yellow or red ones pack more antioxidants than white ones. Onions have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. They may lower blood sugar levels, improve bone health, and reduce the risk of several types of cancer, and may help reduce heart disease risk factors such as high blood pressure, elevated triglyceride levels, and inflammation. Due to many beneficial compounds found in onion, consuming them may help reduce high blood sugar. Onions are a rich source of prebiotics, which help boost digestive health, improve bacterial balance in your gut, and benefits your immune system. Onions can easily be added to savory dishes, including eggs, guacamole, meat dishes, soups, and 90% of South Asian recipes contain onion. The health benefits related to onions are quite impressive. These nutrient-packed vegetables contain powerful compounds that may decrease your risk of heart disease and certain cancers. Onions have antibacterial properties and promote digestive health, which may improve immune function. What's more, they are versatile and can be used to heighten the flavor of any savory dish. Adding more onions to your diet is an easy way to benefit your overall health. I hope you enjoyed learning about onions. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. Until next time, bye-bye now.